Hey Rush fam, so we're here just taking a quick look at this commercial development by Issa Construction. Alright, so this video is also sponsored by Issa Construction. They're leading the charge in downtown Kingston, Jamaica, when it comes to rehabilitation of the older type buildings and revitalizing them for commercial development. So this is one of the buildings that they're developing for commercial purposes. So Issa Construction is leading the way on that, so you guys definitely check out their YouTube channel. Go on Issa Construction YouTube. They're also on Instagram as Issa Construction as well. So this is just a quick video highlighting one of their latest projects. It's also a drone video, less than 5 minutes, so you guys can watch to the end. And again, check out Issa Construction on Instagram and on YouTube to see some of the projects they're doing in downtown, in Kingston, in Jamaica, when it comes to putting some life in downtown Kingston, when it comes to the old dilapidated buildings that need some love. So that's what they're doing, that's what we're checking out today. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and also Issa Construction channel as well. So check out this quick coverage, this quick overview of this development. See the writing on their perimeter fence: Kingston, our capital, is back. So the whole aim is to put some love back in downtown Kingston when it comes to development and these commercial spaces.